Hey guys, Patriot Contraptions here, and today I just want to do a quick walk and show around this snowblower for the parts that are actually on it. Now, obviously the most notable part on any snowblower is the engine. And people think of these for go-karts. I have a go-kart right here with a chipper engine on it. Now, there are a lot of other parts on a snowblower besides just this engine. There's the gas tank, which is on the go-kart I just showed you. There's also all the pulleys and belts that are on the fronts that link it up to the actual blower of the snowblower. Now, this engine you might think, well, I can't use it. It's got two shafts. How am I going to put a centrifugal on? You can always cut this shaft off if you don't want it, and then hook the centrifugal up just fine. So that's an option right there. Then down at the front, other than the pulleys which you can take off, you've got this converter which you can use to convert one shaft from coming in to another shaft going then 90 degrees to it, which could come in handy if you're putting in some type of drive or steering linkage. So that's a part you can salvage. You also have bearings. People wonder where they can get bearings. Well, you've got bearings right here. You've got 4 sets of bearings on a snowblower, 2 on the front and the 2 on the back. Then you've got the shaft in the back you can use. You've got 2 tires. You also have, on this particular snowblower, because it's a shifted one, you have an actual gearbox under here. So you have a gearbox you can pull out, and check this out, a 420 chain and a 420 gear, which you can use for some type of project as well. Possibly even a drive on a smaller vehicle or RC vehicle. You never know. Then coming back up, we have 2 throttle cables, or I call them throttle cables. These are actually your clutch cables, but I've used them for throttle cables. Then you've got the grips. You can take these grips off and you can put them on your handlebar, so you can get some nice handlebar grips off of this. So there's a lot you can do with a snowblower besides just stealing its engine and throwing the snowblower out. You can take all those parts off and use them for your hobbies, which is what I hope to do with this particular snowblower here. So stay tuned to Patriot Contraptions for more about this build. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe.